This is my another project to annotate the wildlife images for trial camera analysis. This is not a simple image. This is for trial camera which we use to hunting while hunting. So as you can see that this is my another account that I collaborated with someone to annotate the images. So these are the main project. I just merged these images to this project. So let's see the first training job that I assigned someone in the team. So these are the current job that I have assigned someone, and this is the total images that are already annotated and completed. And let's see the dataset. Let's see the first classes. So these are the classes name that I am annotating right now for wildlife images like a bug trial. This is about deer annotation, which is a type of animal, and its classes like deer, whitetail, 3 point, and similar. So all the images are have annotations, and let's see the classes. Let's see this one. Which retrieve. So you can see that this is not the normal images that we usually see on the internet or uh, annotation project. These are some different type of images that are captured by a trial camera analysis. So this is very interesting project. So you can see that these are different type of images due to low camera and high camera resolution for trial camera analysis. So these are the classes that I have annotated, and similarly in the next images unknown due to it's not showing the actual phase, and similar this one. So let's show the dataset versions. I have currently one version of this dataset developed by my name, and I put the percentage of the images in a different type of strategy because of this trial camera analysis. So this is demonstration of my another project about wildlife trial camera analysis.